is that? That's intense. The bears don't eat it. Ты что, уже начала блогить? Yes. Oh god. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Я наконец-то сходила в туалет. She said that she can't wait to be home. No. Life is getting better. I already found the washroom. Что ты делаешь? I like this quote. Talking to plants is directly to spirit. Is one way of talking directly to spirit. Oh my god, я даже не знала, что здесь есть. Yeah, it's quotes. You like it? Купим. This is what my mom thinks I am. Не, я считаю, что ready? Are you ready to fight fight the bears? Oh my god. Okay. Well, it's not a bathtub. Why is it not bigger? This fridge, we definitely need this bigger fridge, you know? Oh, they have filtered water. They have an air fryer. I used expired half and half. I don't know if it's gonna be good.
Now stroll around.
Иди сюда, Дори. What is that?
Стрела прокалывается.
That's intense. It's a very intense meal.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain.
Are you kissing?
I'm running up stones on the edge of the bend. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly.
Where should we get the eggs?
I'm buried
got a Danish.
Interesting.
It's homemade Danish.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it.
All right.
Mmm.
Masha's going low carb diet.
Papa would like this.
Yeah.
It's a little sweet.
Mmm.
But the cherries are good.
Mmm.
It needs to be more sour. I would give it a 7 out of 10. I know. Yeah, I should try to fix it. Yeah, because it's very cold. Come here. We're going hiking.
Okay.
We are going. We're headed to Old Growth Hike. It's really, it looks very nice already. We have to sing songs so the bears don't eat us.
Or we can go home.
Where are all the people? I don't know. Really incredible old growth trees. This little guy. Oh. Yeah. That's nice.
Bringing out your bread and wine.
Mom, no, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm laying at your altar. I can
So
be
beautiful.
your sacrifice. You gotta love.
There it is. Are you underwhelmed?
You gotta love religion. Love religion.
Oh, that's really cool.
I'm not just making a video. I'm making a video.
See you holding rattlesnakes.
Oh, stretch. Oh, stretch. Or the stretch still.
Are you not afraid of the bad? Dancing around the fire, you got me speeding.
We are headed to lunch. Peace and tacos.
We были в washroom, so
We were already.
just
We
make
parked.
sure that we record that as well.
We parked at the art gallery and they were really pissed off that we used their parking only. So, but it's okay. Yeah. Say hi. We're watching the hockey.
82%, which is fifth in the WHL. The Americans have not solved this one actually yet this year. They're over 15. Here's Boucher off the draw.
There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold.
Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. We already had some breakfast of farm fresh eggs. That was really nice. And now I just wanted to go outside and be in the morning air. It's my favorite time of day. And just, yeah, sort of take a moment with the forest. It's so quiet here and peaceful. It's really nice. They have this like hexagon den. I don't really know what that is. But this is our little cabin. So cute. They're really weird here. They're always constantly
See a steeple on the hill, bringing out your bread and wine. I'm laying at your altar. I can be your sacrifice. You gotta love religion. You
Okay, Mom.
Yeah.
How was your trip?
It's very good.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. I bought a lot of chocolates. I'm going to show you all the chocolates that I bought.
Show us your chocolates.
Okay. So,
Oh my gosh.
raspberry and pistachio. Superfood. All kinds of
This
shapes.
one's really
I
cool.
don't
There's a
really
lot on
understand
there.
what's there. Another raspberry and pistachio.
That's gonna be really yummy.
Mocha.
I want all of them.
Okay.
Passion fruit is also really nice. All of them are so yummy. I want to try all of them. I'm just gonna give them as gifts.
Yeah, go by yourself.
Okay. This is our little fireplace. Okay. Bye bye.
Помнишь, где наша машина? Идем искать машину. I have no idea, где мы ее парковали.
Exciting.
Ты помнишь, какой дат? Либо все мы купили. Что я очень красиво. Аккуратненько. Здесь он будет сладкий, ну, какие-то по-другому они вкусные. Она говорит, что любовно там, если делаешь чуть холоднее, они ходят, чуть такого времени. Она говорит, если делаешь выше света, даешь, они будут меньше.
Я думала, это съестные люди.
Конечно. Лесные грибы.
Я не покупала, потому что нельзя съесть.
Like that's so small.